Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Matt Olds, product manager of the Heartland Big Country Fifth Wheel, and we're here at the 2018 Tampa Super Show with John with our social media team, and I wanted to go over one of our new floor plans. It's the Big Country 3955 FB. A few key features about this unit. It's a front bathroom, bath and a half model. It also features a new outside kitchen that we introduced for this new 2018 model. A lot of what you see in this Big Country right now, this is our 2018 and a half rolling into the 2019 models. Just wanted to touch on a few key features of this unit. Standard in the Big Country, we got the Furrion Gourmet kitchen package with the 30-inch convection microwave, gas cooktop, and the upgraded stove. One nice feature about the stove, which a lot of people don't realize, it's a direct spark ignition stove, so no more getting down light in the stove. Just set it to temp, push in, just kind of like a gas grill. A couple nice options that we have on this unit at the show. This is a residential reefer with built-in ice and water. A lot of our competition, you're not going to get the ice and water. Frigid air, 23 cubic foot. Really nice for people that are going to full-time take off from this unit. Nice big pantry area on this floor plan. Nice island kitchen. The other nice feature on this unit is our half bath. We got a full half bath in the bottom level here, so you got the half bath option. We also do an office option on that. Along with this unit, with our outside kitchen, you got a nice big entertainment with a 40-inch fireplace, power theater seats with built-in heat, massage, and power recline and close. One thing that's great about the Big Country is we are warranted for full-time living. So if this is something you're looking to take off, sell the house, enjoy being retired, or work on the road, this is a great model to do that in, and we offer a lot of nice floor plans that'll fit your needs.